Hey, I'm Sophia.
And I'm Sanjana.
And we're the SS Science.
Get ready to sail with us
through a sea of scientific knowledge.
Okay, hey guys, so today we are going to be exploring surface tension, which is an intermolecular force, by putting water drops on a penny. What you'll need to do this is a penny, or any other coin, but those take a bit longer, water, and what we decided to do was dye it with a bit of food dye so you could see it contrast more with the penny. You need something to drop the water onto the penny with, so just like an eyedropper would work, and a towel or napkin to absorb the water with. Okay, so first what you want to do is put your penny down on a flat surface. Awesome. Then you want to take your water dropper and begin putting water onto the penny. You don't have to count each drop, but it's kind of fun if you do. And take a moment now and try and guess how many drops will fit on the penny. You want to keep on doing this until the drop of water on the penny breaks. And now if you look closely, it looks like the dome of water, especially on the right side, it's bigger than the penny itself, like it's leaning over the penny surface. And you're good.
So that was a pretty cool experiment. I was not expecting that many water droplets to fit on the penny. But now moving into the science part of it, what is an intermolecular force?
Well, we can actually find that out by breaking up the word intermolecular into its roots. Inter means between, and molecular means having to do with molecules. So the words intermolecular force simply describes any forces that happen between two or more molecules.
And how many types of intermolecular forces are there?
Well, there are four major ones. There's ionic forces, there's hydrogen bonding, there's van der Waals dipole-dipole forces, and van der Waals dispersion forces. And I know they all sound scary, but we're just going to focus on hydrogen bonding today.
So what are hydrogen bonds?
Well, to put it simply, atoms can be charged positively or they can be charged negatively. In hydrogen bonding, hydrogen atoms are charged positively, and they're attracted to negatively charged oxygen, nitrogen, or fluorine atoms. In water, our positive hydrogen atoms in one molecule are attracted to the negatively charged oxygen atoms in another water molecule, which forms a hydrogen bond.
How come the water makes a dome shape on top of the penny?
Well, that has to do with surface tension, which is a result of hydrogen bonding.
What's surface tension?
Surface tension happens because of the strong hydrogen bonds that occur between water molecules. Okay. Each water molecule is attracted to the water molecules around it. In the case of our water dome, the top layer of molecules are only bonded with the molecules around it and under it. That's because there are no water molecules above it. So the top layer of water molecules is mostly being pulled inwards, and that's what creates the dome shape. That's what creates the dome shape. So this inward pull, however, also creates kind of like a skin on this top layer of molecules, which is why it's able to extend past the actual surface of the penny.
I see, but why is surface tension and why are hydrogen bonds important? Why are they necessary?
Well, when it rains and you get water on your window, why does the water collect in little droplets instead of spread evenly all across the window?
Hydrogen bonding.
Nope, surface tension.
Surface tension!
Or have you ever seen a water bug before? You know, the kind that kind of sits on top of a pond but doesn't sink? Do you know why it doesn't sink?
Surface tension!
Also, there's the type of lizard that runs really, really fast and is able to sprint on top of water because of, you guessed it,
a wild guess, surface tension.
Yay! Okay. Now, hydrogen bonds are a little bit more complicated and they're necessary to biology. For instance, hydrogen bonds are what connects DNA base pairs together, so it's what connects adenine to thymine and cytosine to guanine. And also, hydrogen bonds are pretty much what makes water so cool. Without hydrogen bonds, water wouldn't be able to dissolve other substances like salt, and ice wouldn't be able to float.
I see. Well, that was really interesting. I think I learned a lot.
I'm glad you did, and I hope you learned a lot as well.
Thank you for voyaging with us on the SS Science.
We hope you had fun learning.